Good morning, students. Welcome you in class 11th. I have sent you video 2 days before in which I tried to tell you what is the difference between applied maths and core maths. Second day I have sent you syllabus of core maths and applied maths. There are two types of mathematics which are introduced this year, but we will discuss only those topics which are common in both mathematics. Today I am going to start chapter 1 sets for you. I hope you will enjoy the lecture. First of all, I want to say stay home, stay safe, try to follow the guidelines of the government, follow all guidelines to make safe your home, family members and you. Now welcome in class 11th and we'll start chapter 1 sets. It's part 1, first lecture. Here we will discuss about what is set in mathematics. Here I have written collection of objects, one kind or other kind, is known as sets in the case of English. When I'm talking about the word set, only in our mind one statement came, collection of objects is there. Whether this is the same statement followed in mathematics or not, we will discuss few examples regarding this. Here is the first example, collection of vowels in the English alphabet. As you know, English alphabets A to Z. I have to collect only vowels from here. Those are what? A, E, I, O, U. When I am talking about English alphabets, here I have prescribed about what? Specially written here, vowels we have to collect. Some special rule is there, what type of alphabets you have to collect from the English alphabet. Now in a second example, the collection of all natural numbers that divides 12. Now you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the numbers which divide 12. Now third example, collection of all intelligent students in a class. Here it is difficult to find out who is intelligent, who is not intelligent, because no rule to find out the intelligence of the student is given in the statement. Same in the example number 4, collection of 5 most renowned mathematicians of the world. Maybe in India, we try to prefer our Indian mathematicians. In UK, they will prefer their own mathematicians. There is no particular rule to find out who is renowned mathematician. If it is given, then it becomes the criteria regarding mathematicians who are renowned in the world. But it is not given in the statement. So in the case of third and fourth, you can't write out the numbers here because no criteria to find out the intelligent student and no criteria to find out the renowned mathematician is there. So in the case of mathematics, one word which is well defined in the definition we will read, a set is a well defined collection of objects. If there is some rule to collect the objects, then only the set is known as set in a mathematics. It means what? Well defined criteria should be there behind any statement, then that statement becomes a set or gives a group of elements which are known as sets element. Objects are called members or the elements of the set. Now here I have given few notations which are used in the chapter 1. First notation, capital N, the set of all natural numbers. Capital Z is for set of all integers. Q, the set of all rational numbers. Capital R, the set of real numbers. Capital Z, positive, the set of positive integers. Q, positive, the set of positive rational numbers. R, positive, the set of positive real numbers. Sometimes we use some notations like this, colon sign, and we'll read it as such that. Epsilon sign, which is written read as belongs to. Epsilon is crossed by a line, does not belongs to, and IE means that is, and V is crossed by a line, read as for all elements. And these braces are known as curly bracket, are used to write down the set elements. Now these are the notations which we will use in this chapter so many times. At the time of natural numbers, I will write down only capital N as it is told to you. Similarly, all these notations are used in this chapter. Please try to learn them, these all. Now we'll go for representation of set. How to represent a set? I have told you set is a well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined means with a particular rule. When we collect the elements, then those elements are the elements of the set. And set definition is well-defined collection of objects. We can represent set as roster form as well as a set builder form. Two types of representation are there for a set. First is roster form, and this roster form uh, uh, can be told as tabular form, and second one is set builder form. How to write in the form of roster? As in the definition I told you, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels of English alphabet. Those are the elements which are collected just only. Now here I have written those elements in the bracket and separate them by a comma sign. This is a way to write down the elements in a roster form. And the notation of set is always a capital letter. Here I have written capital A. Again, if I am writing natural numbers from 4 to 9, 4 to 9 numbers are written here with comma sign separation and in a curly bracket. Always you have to use curly bracket. Only curly bracket is used to write down the roster form. No other brackets are accepted. The right solution set. I think in 10th class, x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. What are the factors of this equation? You can write x minus 1, x plus 2 equal to 0. Now I have written solution set. I have not asked only solution of this equation. I have asked solution set. It means you have to write down the solutions of the equation in the set form. It means x minus 1 equal to 0, you will get x is equal to 1. X plus 2 equal to 0, you will get x is equal to minus 2. 1 and minus 2 are the elements which are the solution of the equation. So you have to write down 1 and minus 2 in the solution set. Right here, I have given one example for you. You will write down the solution set you're on. Set, maybe write down B set is equal to having elements 1 and minus 2 right here. And I have given you an idea to write 1, 2. I can write 1, 2 as same as you can write 1 and minus 2. Write x colon sign x such that x is a positive integer and x square is less than 40. Write this definition as a roster form. Those elements which are integer as well as their square is less than 40. It means positive integers are what? 1, 2, 3. These are the integers, positive integers. Square them and find out the numbers which are having square less than 40. 1 square is 1, 2 is 4, 3 is 9, 4 is 16, 5 is 25, 6 is 36. When I came to 7, it comes out 49, which is what? Greater than 40, not less than 40. It means up to what? From 1 to 6 you can write down in a bracket with the separation of the comma sign. If I'm talking about the set builder form is a form where you have to write down the rule under which you have collected the elements. Here I have written vowels. What was the criteria behind it? That you have to write down in the set builder form. So A having elements A, E, I, O, U can be written as in the set builder form as X is a set of all elements such that X is a vowel in the English alphabet. In words, you have to write down in such a way. Second, here I have written A is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 set of these elements. This can be written as in the set builder form as X is a set of elements such that X is a natural number and X is lying between what? X is greater than 3, less than 10. Here I can write X greater than equal to 4, less than equal to 9. Both are same. You can write like that also. Now here is another way. Write A is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7. These elements as a set builder form. It means I have to write down these elements as a rule form. In the words form, which rule I have to follow? Write down here. It means A is equal to X is a set of all elements X such that X is equal to n upon n plus 1. You can see here numerator and denominator. Numerator is less than denominator 1 less. It means I am taking n is 1, then this will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. If I take 2, this comes out 3, 1 more. It means what? X can be written as n upon n plus 1, where n belongs to natural number, and from where n greater than equal to 1, less than equal to 6. From 1 to 6 you can take natural numbers, put them here, you will get the values 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7. I can write here the limit of this n is n greater than equal to 1, less than 7. Less than 7 means what? Up to 6. Both ways are okay. Both ways are right to represent the set builder form. And similarly, you can put so many ways to write down the set builder form. You have to make the notes of these 3 papers which are given to you. These 3 notes, 3 pages of notes. Make a notes and do exercise given in a assignment. I have given assignment also to you. Thank you. Thank you very much.